last video I saw there. You were giving this, you driving past, a girl was walking to school in the rain.
Yeah. You recognize the guy.
Guys, education is very important.
Yes.
Very, very important.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
I'm thinking, I'm like, I know this guy.
How you recognize the
Like,
boy?
"Aye, man. I know this
You
guy.
You know this guy.
I know this guy.
So you can see. But his gap says it all.
No. Besides,
Because,
I'm happy I'm here today.
Yeah, you happy? Yeah. Okay.
Keep doing it.
He's doing very good work. He's doing a very good initiative.
Keep doing
You
it.
must
He's
invite
changing
me to your
people's
school.
life. Education is very
You must
important.
Invite me to your school.
Yeah.
Making education fashionable.
Yes. Yeah, Kezo. And then where did you see Msanda's video?
I don't know, on Facebook, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
First time I saw it on Facebook.
Yeah, it was on
I went
Facebook.
on YouTube, I saw more videos. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
The last video on Koi was a
This
girl
Copa-
walking in the rain.
Yeah.
That
He gave her a school back.
Yeah. Kezo. Yes. Kezo mara mamkana ndao yando. Yeah. Better. Siri.
Sir Daniel. Sir Daniel.
Yes,
Two of our rain. Oh no, ha.
They post something, but they post some. Oh, but not eat man.
Sir.
Yeah, ukuyabona njani tsina mina msanda. Yeah. Abantu bari bakonya kujia. Abantu bari bakonya kujia chinepe na msanda. Kezo.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is lovely. Making education fashionable.
Kezo. Yeah, you're proud of this guy. You saw his work and everything that he's doing for community, and you love what he do.
Keep it going, my brother.
Yeah. Yeah, Koyo. Yeah, eta. Kezo. Kar yeah.
Oh,